the Coast Guard coming in. They've been out in the ocean. Now we're down at Sport Haven Beach. And as you can see, maybe you can see, how do I zoom in? There's a lot of boats out fishing today. Great waves. Foggy down toward California. But the big deal this weekend is that it is the 20th annual Kite Festival. And we're going to go have hamburgers at the best place in town, we hear. And then we're going to go hike over to the Kite Festival. So this is a tour of the entryway, the Fellies. Beautiful gladiolas out here. Some artwork on the wall. Wow. You should have got some fries too, honey. If we're going to do it, let's do the whole thing. Okay, this is one hamburger, cut in two. You can see how big it was when it started out. And this is a small order of fries. And we're sitting out here where we can look right at the activities going on at the Kite Festival. These are all kites that have been made by people. And they're talking about how to make kites. They had a kite making workshop this morning. I really like the patchwork quilt over here, if you can see it. Let's see. There. Zoom in. All the ways to together. So every line in that night.